Install Gorilla ROI and then go to Extensions, click on Show Sidebar. This will load the add-on. And then once it's loaded, create new query, select the data source. In my case, I'm just going to select Amazon. Select the store. I will select last 30 days for the data set. Let's just use business reports and pull in all of the data points. Now save it, and it will start running the query to pull in all of this information and then load it directly into spreadsheets. Once it's loaded, it's now going to update all of this information automatically, and you will not have to export reports again. Next, let's try another example. Let's do Shopify. Create a new query, Shopify vitamin store. For the date range, I'm going to do something like last 90 days. For the sales, and then again, same thing. I'm going to select all of the data points, save, and then run. And there you have it. This is how easy it is to connect and get your data directly from your e-commerce platforms into Google Sheets.